On the day 30 May 2025, the history was written for Indian Armed Force. First time ever in history of National Defence Academy (NDA) in Khadakwalsa, Pune. The first co-ed batch with men and women was graduated from NDA. The 17 women cadets stood tall with their 300 counterparts, men cadets. It was a historical verdict from Supreme Court in 2021 that women can also apply for NDA and can serve for Indian Armed Force and their nation. This is a story of Isita Sangwan, one of the 17 cadets that got graduated from NDA in Pune. She, she belonged to a small town in Haryana. She was once preparing for JEE, but her father's dream, her father's dream changed her path, and she started preparing for NDA and got selected to serve our nation.
Hey Shita, morning. Is everything okay?
Yes, Dad, everything is okay. What happened?
Have you read the news that Supreme Court just passed the rule in which women can also be part of NDA?
NDA. That's for boys, isn't it?
Isn't anymore. If you have courage, strength, and discipline, then you could be part of a NDA or army. Why are you preparing for JEE when you could be a warrior?
But Dad, you know that I have never even considered the military.
Are think about it. You would be a part of history.
You're right, Dad. If I'm able to clear my exams of NDA, then why I prepare for JEE?
Have a look. Think about it.
Okay, Dad, I will serve my nation.
That is what I wanted from my daughter.
Yes, Ishita, Papa is right. You have to do for it.
Yeah, I'm wondering about this, but I think that I can do this.
Okay.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind. Cadets, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You will be facing new challenges and hardships. So, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
कदम ताल चालू करेगा चालू कर 1 2 1 2 1 2
Soumya, wait, I'm coming. I won't give up. I have to prove myself among the male cadets.
1 2 1 2 1 2 Vishram.
Have you ever wondered if we'll make it?
Yeah, every day, but giving up isn't an option.
You're tougher than half of us, Sangwan.
Yeah, that's the plan. Well, tell me about your family background. Like, how did you get the interest in NDA?
Well, I am from civil background. My father is a farmer, and my family is so supportive for me. When my father know that I am interested in navy, so he just take me in a ground and have a run with him. And when and he say me to run because he want to check my cardiovascular endurance. That's basically for heart, for your stamina. How was your building? So in starting that was not good, but after a while I practiced so hard of that. So uh, so I am capable to face all physical activities, all physical tasks, and I know this time I'll make the history.
Okay, sounds good. Your family is very supportive, I think.
Yeah.
And how about you? How did you get inspiration about NDA?
I wanted to think for our nations. When I got to know that NDA is also allowed for girls. It was very out of sudden. but because my out of blue, because I have just 1 month for prepare for exam, but I have looked highly forwards. I have looked highly forwards because NDA gives two very big opportunity for to girls,